In front of me is Nubia Neo 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this smartphone. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Following that, type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flar2 developer. DevCheck device and system info. When it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!